Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, this time it's not a case, but I have a screen protector for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. I will be installing the Ringke Dual Easy Film screen protector for the S24 Ultra. I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending this out to me for a review. I have used this Easy Film for the S23 Ultra and I didn't have any problems with it, so I'm glad they sent me out this to review. Now, this is a film and not a glass screen protector, so just keep that in mind. It's not a tempered glass, and they make it pretty easy to install. They have really good instructions, and they have this little tool that will help you install it pretty good. You can pick up this screen protector from Amazon. I'll have the links in the description, but it has instructions on here. You may want to read them too while you watch me do this. But let's get into it. It's supposed to be like self-healing, flexible material, easy application, all that good stuff. But it has a tape box, but hold on. All right, let's see what you get in there. So you get two screen protectors, which is great. And then you also get some wipes. Oh, some wipes, a squeegee, you get a microfiber cloth, and then this is the tool I was talking about here. So this is a little tool. So the first thing you want to do is always power down your phone. So you always want to turn your phone off. Then what you do is take your cleaning wipe here. They gave you two screen protectors, but only one cleaning wipe. I guess you just have to find a separate one on your own if you need to do this again. So you just clean off your phone. You want to get all the oils and everything else from your body off of here. Now it does have like a self-removing like dust remover on here. I'm gonna show y'all that. And hopefully I can get this on film too. I mean, it's not the easiest thing to film this and get it straight and, you know, show y'all how to do it. So you just put this piece in here like this. Then you take your screen protector, and what you want to do is make sure number 4 is facing up. And you just punch it in these little holes here. Then you take your top piece here and put that on top, like so. You know, make sure it's straight. And then what you want to do is kind of bend this back. And then each number too. Let me show y'all that real quick too. Let me show y'all that really quick. Alright, so on the screen protector you have 2, 1, 4, and then you have number 3 somewhere too. So what you want to do is take off number 1, which I almost forgot to do. So take off number 1, kind of stick this back in here. Make sure you're straight though. Gotta make sure you're straight. You don't want it to be crooked. Alright, and then you put this piece back on there, because that's going to keep it down while you perform your steps. Alright. Don't worry about the bubbles. Some bubbles may be there until you can, you know, until 24 hours or so. But what you want to do is take number 2 and you kind of bend it over like this, but slide your slide your squeegee underneath it like that. Hold it. Bam, something like that. Then you take off this piece here. You do the same thing. You fold it over. Kind of fold it over itself. And then just drag this down like this. And see, it kind of removes the dust by itself too. And then you want to just squeegee most of the bubbles out. Again, you're going to have some bubbles. You know, you're going to have some bubbles for the first 24 hours or so. And then they will disappear. Don't worry. And then what you do is take number 4. And you just remove that. And then you just clean it up some. And then when you check out your installation, hopefully you have it straight. And the bubbles will come out, you know. So, as you can tell there, you take this off too. It's pretty straight on there. I mean, turn it on. Check for the fingerprints. So I have some bubbles down here. Like I said, not to worry about the bubbles. They will disappear. I mean, that's why I try to do this at nighttime, so that way you don't have to put a case right on it. You can let it sit for a little bit. So, fingerprint scanner works great. Not bad. Let's try the pen out. If I stop pressing the button. All right. Create a note. So it just feels a little weird because you are typing on plastic now, not the screen itself, but as you can tell, it works. It just feels a little bit weird. Let's see what else. Twitter. Scrolling on Twitter is fine too. So this is the Easy Film, Dual Easy Film from Ringke. I think it came out pretty good. Not too bad. I mean, like I said, I got little bubbles once in a while, but if you want to pick up this screen protector, I will definitely have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Force Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.